Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is finally going to get better performance than the new iPhone 14. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which will bring significant upgrades in performance and efficiency compared to the S22 Ultra, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra will also have UFS 4.0 storage that is not only twice as fast as the one on its predecessor, but it's also 45% more efficient. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the predecessor also has its fair share of problems, including throttling and overheating issues, and a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is expected to perform a lot better. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 might be the only chipset that Samsung might use in their upcoming Galaxy S23 series. There is also another rumors that's indicating that Samsung might make a comeback with the Exynos 2300 chipset. But Ming-Chi Kuo also said the Exynos 2300 is not powerful enough to compete with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The S22 Ultra has LPDDR5 RAM and its maximum data rate is 6.2 GB per second. Now the Galaxy S23 Ultra is reported to have the world's fastest RAM on any mobile phone. The LPDDR5X bringing a complete upgrade in all three important parameters when it comes to driving optimum performance on a mobile phone. Samsung says that the new memory reaches 8.5 GB per second speeds, which is the industry's fastest speed of DRAM, so we're seeing a 36% improvement in RAM speed. Next up, we've got a few case leaks, and again they reveal the design of all three models in the S23 series. Now the first set comes from Ice Universe, and he tweeted a couple of different cases, and on the rear they show that not much has changed from the predecessor. We know that on the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus the camera lenses are going to be coming out of the rear panel instead of having a raised camera module, and in these cases do seem to back that up. Ice Universe says Samsung is streaming down the chain and making it nearly symmetrical to side edges. We have a same boxy rectangular curved display with high refresh rate and high resolution panel, same S Pen support and same SIM card tray, which is amazing. Now a look at the front. You can probably see that they are almost identical to last year. We have the same size panels, 6.1 inches on the S23 and 6.6 inches on the S23 Plus, and because of that the bodies are also wider. So S23 is wider by 0.2 mm and S23 Plus is wider by 0.3 mm. S23 Ultra we get a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz LTPO display. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.